Let me tell you something. I bought this in Micro Center. See the receipt. See the date right there. 1/12/25, 2 p.m. This is the I bought. See, it's clearly labeled 128 gigabytes hard drive, Micro Center. If you check it, see, you see this recovery. I made a recovery disk for this laptop. The reason I check it because I have to give it to my friend. So I'm gonna make sure it's, see, it's 31.9 gigabytes. I just know now. I've been buying stuff for Micro Center. I never realized it. I just check it now because I have to give this to my friend. See, I have this. I have this. See, this is 128. The same thing with this. I don't know. Let's check it. I just know now. See, this is the one. See, 31.9 right there. It's not 128 gigabytes. And Micro Center didn't know they're selling this stuff. He's selling this stuff for a long time. See this one. I have no idea. I have it for a long time. I just checked this now. See guys. If you see 64 gigabytes, 64, clearly label it. Yeah. Let's check it. Yeah. See it right there. Here. Here. It's 31.9. But it says 64. It's a big difference, guys. The same thing with this one. It's a big difference. I have to return this to Micro Center and tell them. It's like, how come it's selling this for a long time? This, what is this? Is scamming people? Scamming the customer. I just realized just now. I have for a long time. I'm buying stuff from Micro Center. I bought my computer from Micro Center. I assemble the parts. I bought most of this to Micro Center. And I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna call them tomorrow and tell them. It's clearly it's not 128. Alright guys.